Fixing Errors in English, a guide for learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the topic of fixing errors in English. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding how to correct your mistakes is crucial for improving your language skills. So, let's dive in and learn how to effectively identify and fix errors in English. One of the first steps in fixing errors is understanding the most common mistakes that learners make. These can range from grammatical errors, like incorrect verb tenses, to vocabulary mishaps, such as confusing words with similar sounds but different meanings. By becoming aware of these common errors, you can be more vigilant in avoiding them. Identifying your own errors can be challenging, but it's a crucial skill. Start by actively listening to your own speech or reviewing your written work. Tools like language learning apps or even simple spell checkers can be handy. Feedback from teachers or native speakers is also invaluable. Remember, the goal is not to feel discouraged by mistakes, but to use them as learning opportunities. Once you've identified an error, how do you fix it? This section will cover techniques like rephrasing sentences, using grammar check tools, and practicing with correct forms. We'll also discuss the importance of understanding the rules behind the error, which can help prevent the same mistake in the future. Fixing errors is not just about correcting individual mistakes. It's about developing a habit of continuous learning and improvement. This involves regular practice, seeking feedback, and being open to learning from every interaction in English. Remember, every error is a step towards mastery. We hope this video has given you some useful insights into fixing errors in English. Remember, making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. The key is to learn from them and keep moving forward. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English with confidence.